Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Accord key fob here. It works for these models 2018 and 2022 and you don't need any fancy tools. You only need this battery 2032 and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back. Alright, and here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this direction, and when you slide it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove this mechanical key out, now turn the fob like this to the bottom, right here, and take the tip of the mechanical key and insert it right here between these two pieces in the middle. Insert it right here like this, and when you insert it, now just twist it a little bit to the side, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. This is the whole idea here. And make sure when you separate this fob into two pieces, this side here is facing down to the table, because you can lose the buttons very easily, so make sure you do that. And now when you separate into two pieces, right after that, here on this side, you see your old dead battery. And now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this. And also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery, take these two pieces again. Make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly. And just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, right after that, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning. And right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.